Are you over 40 and wondering how to earn a stable income from the comfort of your home? If you think work from home jobs are only for the tech savvy or those under 30, think again. Today I'm sharing more than 5 fantastic work from home jobs which are perfect for people over 40. Jobs that don't require lots of technical skills but can still pay well and offer good flexibility. Stay tuned to discover which role could be your next career move. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is a freelance writer. Freelance writing is an excellent option if you love to research and have a knack for storytelling or explaining ideas. There's a huge demand for online content, from blog posts and articles to emails and product descriptions. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr and specialised writing sites, you can connect with clients in countless industries. For beginners, try starting with niches that you're already familiar with. For example, if you've worked in healthcare, you could focus on health-related writing. As you build a portfolio, you can then raise your rates. Even with just a few clients, freelance writing can easily bring in a stable part-time income. One major plus is the flexibility. You can often set your own hours, which is ideal if you're balancing other responsibilities. Freelance writers typically get paid per word, project or hour, so you'll find options that suit your needs. Many writers in their 40s even earn full-time incomes after just a year or two. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is online tutoring. If you have experience in teaching, tutoring, or even just deep knowledge in a specific subject, online tutoring is an ideal choice. Websites like VIP Kid, Wyzant, or even Zoom offer ways to connect with students worldwide. Subjects like English, maths, or history are always in high demand. Tutors over 40 often bring valuable life experience and patience, which many parents and students really appreciate. Don't worry if you've never tutored online before. These platforms usually provide onboarding and resources. Plus, once you build a reputation, clients often return or refer others, making it a reliable income source. To increase your earnings, you can specialise in subjects or test preparation that pay higher rates, such as SAT preparation or college level courses. Whether it's helping young kids with reading or adults learning English, tutoring is fulfilling, flexible and financially rewarding. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is a virtual assistant. Virtual assisting is a growing field and perfect for people with strong organisation and administrative skills. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to social media handling and customer service, virtual assistants handle various tasks that keep businesses running much more smoothly. You can specialise in industries that you know well, such as legal assistance, healthcare, or even real estate. Start with freelance platforms, and once you gain some experience, consider approaching small business owners directly. Some clients will need regular hours, but many offer flexible part-time options. Earnings will vary, but experienced VAs can make $20 to $50 an hour or more, depending on the work. With dedication, some even create their own VA agencies. Plus, this role allows you to bring a wealth of experience and professionalism, making you a highly sought after resource. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is bookkeeping. If you're detail oriented and comfortable with numbers, remote bookkeeping could be a great fit. Many small businesses need help managing invoices, payroll and financial records, but can't afford a full-time bookkeeper. Software like QuickBooks makes it very easy for you to manage these tasks remotely. Bookkeeping requires some initial training, but courses are available online and no accounting degree is necessary for most small business clients. Websites like Upwork and bookkeeping job boards are great places to get started. Once you're comfortable, bookkeeping can be highly rewarding, with opportunities to earn between $20 to $60 per hour. As you build trust with your clients, you may even manage multiple businesses, providing a steady income stream without needing a full-time commitment. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is a social media manager. Social media management is a fantastic job if you are creative and like connecting with others online. Many small businesses know the value of social media but don't have the time to manage it for themselves. If you're already familiar with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, this could be a great opportunity. You can start by helping local businesses or non-profits for a lower rate to build your portfolio. Then, as you gain some experience, you can target small to medium-sized companies who will pay for regular content creation, engagement, and advertising. You don't need expert level skills, just stay consistent and learn as you go. Social media managers can earn anything from $15 to $50 per hour or more, depending on the expertise. Plus, this work from home role allows you to explore creative strategies and connect with audiences, all while working within the schedule that suits you. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is a customer service representative. Many companies outsource customer service roles, creating ample remote opportunities for those with good communication skills. If you're a people person and have a good phone or computer setup, customer service could be an ideal fit, especially if you don't mind working in blocks of scheduled hours. You can start by applying to companies like Amazon or Alarica, which frequently hire remote customer service reps. Training is often provided and you'll assist customers via phone, chat, or email depending on the role. Customer service roles pay anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour. And for those with management experience, supervisory roles are also available. The best part is this role doesn't require extensive technical knowledge, making it highly accessible. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is an online sales consultant. If you have a background in sales or enjoy helping people find the right products, online sales consulting might be a great fit. You can work in areas like real estate, financial products, or retail, and many companies provide training and resources to support your growth. Using platforms like Zoom or phone consultations, you can connect with customers from home. Plus, sales roles often offer commission-based earnings, which means the harder that you work, the more you can earn. Online sales consultants can make a base salary plus commission, leading to excellent income potential. It's an ideal choice for those who enjoy personal connections and want a job that rewards hard work. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is an online health coach. If you're passionate about health and wellness, consider becoming an online health coach. With certifications readily available and affordable online, you can specialise in areas like weight loss, fitness, or even lifestyle management. Many people, especially over 40, value coaches who understand midlife health concerns. You can begin by getting certified through platforms like the American Council on Exercise or Precision Nutrition. Then use social media to build a client base. You can coach through video sessions, check-ins, and creating personalised plans. Health coaches typically charge per session or per program package. With a loyal client base, you can earn a stable income, all while helping others lead healthier lives, a rewarding and impactful way to work from home. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is a transcriptionist. If you're a good listener and have a keen eye for detail, transcription work could be ideal. Transcriptionists listen to audio files and type out the content, which is in high demand across industries like law, healthcare, and media. Websites like Rev and TranscribeMe offer beginner-friendly opportunities. No advanced equipment is needed beyond a computer and good headphones. For beginners, general transcription work can pay modestly, but as you specialise, such as in legal or medical transcription, your earnings can increase significantly. Transcriptionists earn per audio minute or hour, often leading to flexible part-time work that fits around other obligations. It's a job that you can do entirely on your own time, making it accessible and highly adaptable. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is an online researcher. If you enjoy digging into information and have strong analytical skills, online research could be a perfect fit. Many companies, law firms, and even writers hire researchers to gather information on various topics, trends, or even case studies. This role requires patience, attention to detail, and the ability to synchronize information effectively. Platforms like Wonder and Just Answer allow beginners to get started with research tasks. Projects can range from creating a list of industry stats to summarizing recent news in specific fields. This job is great if you're curious by nature and enjoy exploring new topics without needing to leave your home. Online research is typically earned per project or hourly, often between $15 and $30, depending on the complexity of the research. As you gain experience, you can specialize in areas like market research, legal research, or content development, allowing you to command higher rates and potentially secure long-term clients. So there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.